Today I am reviewing the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR4 RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance. Running at 3200 MHz, this RAM hits the sweet spot for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're diving into graphically intensive AAA titles, running large datasets, editing 4K video, or multitasking with dozens of browser tabs, this kit offers a smooth and responsive experience. And thanks to the Intel XMP 2.0 support, you can easily enable the rated speed and timings with just one setting in your motherboard's BIOS. No need to manually tweak voltages or timings. Just plug it in, enable XMP, and you're off to the races. Under the hood, CORSAIR hand sorts the memory chips used in the Vengeance LPX series. This ensures high performance and better overclocking headroom. These aren't generic chips. They're selected for quality and consistency. If you're someone who likes to tinker and push your system further, you'll appreciate the potential here. Just keep in mind that overclocking potential is affected by your cooling setup and overall system airflow. Speaking of cooling, let's talk about the design. The Vengeance LPX modules feature a low-profile aluminum heat spreader, which not only gives them a clean, stealthy look, but also keeps them running cool. The heat spreader is built from solid aluminum, and its role isn't just cosmetic. It helps efficiently dissipate heat from the memory ICs, ensuring that your RAM can maintain high speeds during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The heat is drawn away from the modules and into the system's cooling path, making it easier for your fans or liquid cooler to do their job. The low-profile height of just 34mm is a big deal for small form factor builds. If you're using a compact mini IDX case or installing a large aftermarket CPU cooler, clearance issues are a real concern. Thankfully, the Vengeance LPX fits into most tight builds without a hitch. Its compact size makes it a versatile choice for almost any desktop setup, from ultra-compact HD PCs to full-tower gaming rigs. Compatibility is another strong point. This kit is optimized for Intel 300, 400, and 500 series chipsets, as well as the X299 platform, and works seamlessly with most AMD DDR4 motherboards too. So whether you're running a Ryzen 5000 chip or an Intel Core i9, you're covered. CORSAIR has gone to great lengths to ensure this memory works across a wide range of motherboards, making it a plug-and-play solution for new builds or upgrades. One underrated feature, it's available in multiple colors. If you're building a system with a particular aesthetic, maybe all black or maybe RGB heavy, CORSAIR offers LPX kits in different finishes to match your style. And while this specific model doesn't include RGB, that's part of the appeal. No flashing lights, no distractions, just clean, minimalist performance that gets the job done. And let's not forget CORSAIR's reputation. The Vengeance LPX series has been a go-to choice for gamers, system builders, and overclockers for years. With tens of thousands of positive reviews, consistent performance, and a limited lifetime warranty, you're buying into a product line that has proven itself time and time again. The CORSAIR Vengeance LPX DDR4 3200 MHz 32GB kit offers excellent speed, thermal performance, and system compatibility, all in a low-profile form factor that fits nearly any build. It's powerful enough for serious gaming and creative workloads, stable enough for everyday use, and reliable enough to install and forget. Whether you're building your first PC or upgrading an older one, this kit offers incredible value and performance in one sleek package. If you're looking for high-performance DDR4 memory that won't let you down, the Vengeance LPX 32GB kit is a top-tier choice. It's no surprise it ranks as the #1 bestseller in computer memory, and it absolutely earns that title.